Welcome to your Kenworth Driver Training, where we'll take a quick look at the key features and benefits of your brand new K220 Kenworth. Let's check out the steering wheel controls and switches. The K220 has a redesigned smart steering wheel that allows us to keep our eyes on the road and hands on the wheel, and keeps all our controls at our fingertips. These controls are also interfaced with the digital display. The left switch pod manages the cruise control functions. We can start a new trip recording with this button. 26 trips can be recorded. Holding down the trip button will reset all the trips. Cruise control can be turned on or off, along with setting our cruise control speed or resuming speed once cruise control has been interrupted. Pushing set will increase our cruise control set speed, and pushing resume will decrease our set speed. If your truck is fitted with Wingman Fusion, there is a toggle switch in the middle that will adjust the following distance to the vehicle ahead. Once cruise control has been turned on and speed is set, active cruise with braking and adaptive cruise control is automatically engaged. Cruise control should not be used in situations of heavy traffic or when operating on road surfaces with poor traction. Cruise control is not a substitute for responsible driving and safe driving techniques. The right switch pod controls the infotainment system and digital display. Here we have the volume increase, decrease, and the mute button. We can answer or finish a phone call. The audio source can be changed. The radio can be switched between digital radio, FM, AM, and plugged-in audio storage devices. There is a shortcut that can be designed to perform your predefined shortcuts, programmed through the menu. There is a back button that will return you to the previous menu, suppress a pop-up, or cancel your selection. The scroll wheel is used to change drive views and navigates through menus on the digital display. Pressing the scroll wheel down will select menu options or change settings when in the system's menu. The steering wheel controls are not a driver serviceable component. It forms part of the multiplex system, and tampering with them may result in inoperable vehicle systems. For further information, consult your operator's handbook or call into a Kenworth dealership.